Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can record income from your company in FreshBooks. So let's get started. To record income from your company in FreshBooks, go to the Invoices section and click New Invoice. Create an invoice by adding your company as the client, then enter the product or service and the amount you want to record. Once the payment is received, open the invoice and record the payment by selecting the payment method and payment date. This will log the income in your account. If you don't need to create an invoice, you can record the income directly by entering the company name, amount, and payment method. You can also connect your bank account to FreshBooks. Any deposits from your company can sync automatically and be categorized as income. Finally, review your profit and loss report to make sure the income has been recorded correctly. Using invoices and payments is usually the best way to track company income because it provides clear and organized reporting. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.